Once upon a time, the cities not so far away from each other undergo a magical transformation every year. Come spring, and delicate cherry blossoms create a poetic canopy of pink and white in Japan, inviting admirers to indulge in the centuries old tradition of Hanami, the cherry blossom viewing. Meanwhile, the city of Bengaluru, here in India, known for its tech hubs and traffic jams, dons a pink coat of delicate petals. तो ये कहानी है चेरी ब्लॉसम एंड पिंक ट्रम्पेट फ्लावर्स की that are often mistaken for each other but are as distinct as chalk and cheese. Cherry blossoms are widely distributed in northern hemisphere, especially in East Asia. It is considered the national flower of Japan. Cherry blossoms are deeply embedded in the culture and are central to the custom of Hanami. People travel all over the world to witness the spectacle and participate in the festivities. तो चेरी ब्लॉसम, जिसे जापान में सकुरा भी कहते हैं, इन्होंने एनिमे से लेकर इंस्टाग्राम वर्दी पिकनिक की जिम्मेदारी ले रखी है और यहाँ पिंक ट्रम्पेट फ्लावर्स अपनी देसी कहानी के असली हीरो हैं। पिंक ट्रम्पेट ट्रीज, जिनका ऑफिशियल नाम है टैबेबुया रोजिया, असल में साउथ अमेरिका से हैं। ब्रिटिशर्स को उनके स्प्रिंग सीजन की याद आ रही थी तो उन्होंने इनको बंगलुरु में लाया। Fast forward today, every winter it's like a nature's own fashion show और तब से ये फूल बेंगलोरियंस के दिल पे राज कर रहे हैं। But hold, it's not just Bengaluru. Singapore has also joined the pink party with its own version of Sakura. In April, the city-state is dotted with these trumpet-shaped wonders, putting up a spectacular show. Meanwhile, in Mumbai, the city experiences its own cherry blossom season with the blooming of pink trumpet flowers, या बसंत रानी हिंदी में. Mumbai's pink trumpet flowers offer more localized charm. These vibrant blooms transform the Eastern Express Highway into a picturesque avenue. The sight of these flowers is less known globally but holds a special place in the hearts of Mumbaikars. Here the blooms signal end of winter and are prelude to the summer months. तो ये है दो फूलों की कहानी, often mistaken for one another, लेकिन दोनों अपनी खूबसूरती से देखने वालों का मन खुशी से भर देते हैं. Although both trees share the beauty of pink blossoms, they differ in their botanical classification, cultural significance, and physical characteristics. While the cherry blossoms get all the fame, it's the pink trumpet that are unsung heroes of the botanical world. तो आप कब जा रहे हैं जापान for the ultimate cherry blossom experience? Or who knows, one day we will have a Bollywood movie dedicated to these flowers. Until then, you can take a drive through Mumbai or Bengaluru to catch the glimpse of celebrating blushing blooms.